In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up mobile app authentication on Cloudflare. We're going to walk through enabling mobile app authentication, sometimes called app-based two-factor authentication, to add a strong layer of security to your Cloudflare account. You'll need access to your Cloudflare dashboard and a smartphone with an authenticator app installed. If you don't have one yet, you can install a trusted authenticator from your device's app store before you begin. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing into the dashboard. Once you're in, click your account area, then go to your profile. Inside your profile settings, find Access Management. From there, select Authentication. This is where Cloudflare groups your security options, and you'll see the two-factor authentication section displayed. Choose the option to add mobile app authentication. Cloudflare will guide you with on-screen prompts and will follow them together. First, make sure an authenticator app is installed on your phone. Popular options are widely available and free. Just pick one you trust from your app store. With your authenticator ready, return to the Cloudflare tab and look for the QR code. Open your authenticator app, add a new account, and scan the QR code shown on your Cloudflare screen. If scanning isn't possible, most apps offer a manual entry option. Use that if needed, carefully typing the key exactly as shown. Once the account is added in your authenticator, it will generate a temporary 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter that code in the field on Cloudflare to prove the setup worked. Next, you'll be asked to confirm with your Cloudflare password. This step ensures it's really you enabling two-factor authentication on the account. Type your password, then click Next and follow the prompts that appear. As you complete the flow, pay attention to any backup or recovery options presented and store them securely. These can help you regain access if you ever lose your phone. A couple of quick tips. Make sure your phone's time is set automatically. Time drift can cause codes to fail. Never share your codes or QR key with anyone. And if you plan to change phones, transfer your authenticator entries before wiping the old device. That's it. You've opened your account, navigated to your profiles, access management and authentication settings, enabled mobile app authentication, scanned the QR code, entered the code from your app, confirmed with your password, and clicked Next to finish the guided prompts. Your Cloudflare account is now significantly more secure.